Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn a simple Bible verses into a viral video. When the storm is rising. So the first thing you want to do is come to Chatgpt. This is a new tab, right? So I'm going to paste the prompt here. So this is the prompt. Says, give me 3 powerful and widely loved Bible verses that inspire faith, strength, and hope. So I'm gonna click OK, let's say. So ChatGPT is gonna do that for us. Now that we have all these 3 suggested by ChatGPT, it is time to put the next prompt. Number 2 was the one I picked. I say turn Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10 into a soulful gospel song. Use the message to create powerful lyrics for Suno.ai. Click OK. So I have the lyrics. You can see the title, I Will Not Fear. So I'm going to copy it. All right. So I'm going to copy it here. Go to suno.ai. Right here on suno.ai, what you need to do is very simple. Once you sign up your account, it's free to sign up an account. Then come to this part, this middle one. Click on it. So once you're here, you might see this like this. So what you need to do is to turn it on, then paste your lyrics here. So I'm going to paste that lyrics. I'm going to remove everything that we don't need from here, the title and everything. So I'm going to remove it. I'm done removing all of those unnecessary things. Give it music style. So I'm going to say gospel. All right, gospels. Then the next thing I want to do is to just go a little bit down. And so I can put the title of the song here. So once I'm done with everything, just click on create. Out of the 2 songs, I'm going to pick one. All right, so how do I know? So I'm just going to play it, then pick one. Click on the title. Then I'm going to come right here to these 3 dots, click on it. Then I'm going to go a little bit down and see download. Then I'm going to click on MP3 audio. It's going to say this, just say anyway. I'm going to leave the link to this website in the description box of this video. The name of the website is called Whisk. This is from lab.google, which is also known as ImageFX. So you're going to paste this prompt here. This also, I will leave it in our Telegram channel. You can join the channel, then copy the prompt. So here on this one, I'm going to click on it. Make sure you select best quality. Then for the ratio, click on it. Make sure you select 16:9 ratio. Then click on OK. Let's do it. You're going to have something like this. So you can select any of this one. If you can pick this one, or you can pick this one. Just pick any. So I'm just going to go with this one. Click download. Here from Hedra.com. Click on character. You can set to it. Click it again. Upload. Make sure you have 16:9, then 720, then select the audio, click upload, click photo. It's too long. You can only do 20 seconds. You can see from here 20 seconds. So now if you're using the free version, you won't be able to cut it. You can't do anything. So you just go and edit it somewhere else, then come back. So I'm quickly cut 20 seconds out of it and I'll be right back. If you have watched this video to this point, do it to like this video. We appreciate that. Thank you. Right now, I'm going to cancel this one. All right. Click on or replace. Can replace it. Click on it. We have this. Then click on add to video. So you're going to put a prompt here. So this is the prompt you're going to put. All right. So once you're done with that, then click OK. Click back. Sometimes you do like that. Click it again.
Hedra's character 3 is here.
So you just click continue. Then you wait for it. Now we have our video ready. So what I need to do is to come a little bit down and click on download here. Then click download again. I'm going to play the full video for you to see, but one thing you should know that if you want to have more than 1 minute video, make sure you split your audio into pieces, then you can join it back in CapCut. With that, you'll be able to do it. And make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, do where to like this video. I will appreciate that. You can also go to the comment section, drop your comments. I would love to read them. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
When the storm is rising and my heart is faint, when the nights grow silent and I'm drowning in pain, I hear a voice so